Hello everyone, Phantom Koala 215 back with another video. Let me get this fan turned off real quick. That's better. Alright. Now, I know it's been a while since I've done one of these arts and crafts videos, but I'm back with more. What is it this time, you ask? Well, cross stitch. Wrong one. Yeah, that one. Now by now you're probably sitting there wondering, why are you watching this crap? And why is he going on and on and on and on and on? And what's the difference between this and the stuff that I use for my Minecraft creeper? Well, the difference is a couple of things. For cross stitch, you've got this kind of cloth-like material. It's kind of like soft cloth. And for that creeper I did, plastic canvas is bigger and harder. Okay, let's see it. That's what she said. Okay. Next difference is needle size. The one I use for plastic canvas. And this is the one I use for cross stitch. You can see the difference. Alright, what else was there? Oh yeah. I was gonna frame this one. So I gotta do this here. Nice little lap view. Or not. Oh, there was another difference between cross stitch and that plastic canvas. Thread size. Here's a sample of the thread for cross stitch. And that's the one for the plastic canvas. Big, small. Okay, where was I? Oh yes. I can get this to stay. I've actually been having a lot of fun doing this cross stitch. Very relaxing. This damn thing. There we go. Alright. Now, come on. Dun, da, da, da. Now, doesn't that look like that? Kind of. Get a better angle on this mess. Not perfect, but it does look like it should. And if you're wondering why I've got blue tape around the edges on this thing, is to keep them from fraying, so you don't have edges that look like this. This doesn't look too good. Alright, so where am I going here? Where am I going? Good question. Where am I going, Phantom? Alright, Phantom, where am I going here? Yeah. Son of a... Alright, got my glass plate. I know your view kind of sucks right now, so just bear with me here. Okay, trim this up a little bit. So let's take that like that. Probably a little bit more like that. And just start cutting. When I'm cutting these things to fit to the frame, I'm not going for perfection because, you know, it's not going to go up in any major art gallery. And if it does, it'll be one hell of a surprise, pardon the language. Okay, I'm going to trim this up this way a little bit. Okay, looks a little better. I really should invest in a tripod one of these days. Or at least one of those stand-up tripods. So you spread the 3 legs out, you extend them, you can do everything with it. A little bit more. Snip, snip. Learn how to body, eat your heart out. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Ooh, that's a pretty good fit. So, let's make a last plate. Okay, looks a little better. A little bit of that reflective shine. Looks pretty good. Okay, now, let's see. These funky frames. Alright, how the hell did that thing... Like that, okay. Like that. Ooh. That's one thing I hate about these frames, is that you have to kind of work the edges around and not break the glass. Because me and glass, we really don't mix. Alright, so, there we go. Done, snipped, and framed. Light green, dark greens, like 2 different shades of orange, yellows, blacks, 2 different shades of purple. Why I went with purple when the thing was calling for some kind of funky smoke blue color gray thing, I don't know. I just think it looks better this way. So until next time, hang tight.